her moving, gently now. Clear on the left side.
Move up to the barrier.
Tag confirmed. Clear to the inspection zone.
Keep the line moving slowly there. All clear on this side, data updated. Check the shoulder area again, right there.
All right, I see it. Getting it now.
The coat looks satisfactory here. Agreed. Requirements met on this side, sir.
The liver appears healthy. Note the measurements on the tablet, please.
Yes, doctor. Vitals are stable. The temperature is 101.5. We are clear.
Roger that. Data logged successfully.
Shoulder steady now. Eyes look clear, moving to the mouth. Everything seems to be within the standards.
The coat condition appear excellent. No signs of dermatophytosis under the UV light.
Confirmed. I've logged the assessment. Is the joint showing any inflammation?
No, it looks perfectly healthy.
The gap is exactly 3 millimeters.
Perfect. This layout maximizes the yield on the red leather. The stitching is solid. How are the handles? One minor snag, corrected. It passes quality control.
Try to nest the card slots tighter together to reduce waste. We can fit one more here. The laser alignment looks perfect on the readout.
Just this small thread here.
All right, let's have that trimmed. Much better. Pass.